Welcome to the Vernon Speakeasy YouTube channel. My name is Josh. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a silver coin margarita today. There is point of contention where this cocktail came from. Some people say, Mexico. Other people say California. Some people say the 30s. Some people say the 50s. What's important to note though is what type of cocktail it is. This is technically a sidecar. Now, a sidecar basically denotes an alcohol, which we're going to be using El Jimador Blanco tequila, a triple sec, bowls triple sec. Normally, if you can get Cointreau, that's the good stuff. We usually can too. It's out of stock for the time being, sadly. A sweetener of some type. In this case, we are using a house-made agave syrup, and this is the brand that we use here. We stretch this, make it a little thinner. Last but not least, fresh lime juice. Now these 4 ingredients, I'll show you how to mix up right now. Always want to build in your small shaker tin. You're going to be doing 1.5 ounces of Blanco tequila. Now, what I just did is a free pour. It's about counting correctly. Full ounce of triple sec. And then again, full ounce of agave syrup. And last but not least, full ounce of lime. Grab some ice. Now make sure to smack that closed. It keeps the drink from falling all over the place. Now I'm going to shake this hard for 10 to 15 seconds. That's nice and chilled and diluted. Next, I'm going to show you more or less how we garnish this drink. So take a nice fresh lime, cut the side of it. It's nice and clean. Now we rim the outside of the glass with this fresh lime. And you take some salt. This could be just kosher salt. And I like to do half the glass. I like to give people the option not to have too much salt. Get some ice in your glass. All right. Beautiful. Now, finishing touches, we're going to do one more cut of this lime here because I want a nice coin for my silver coin margarita. Nice circular piece of lime. What you do with this, just cut a notch in it so it looks like this, and then put it right on the edge of your glass. Cheers. Awesome, thanks for tuning in today. Again, my name is Josh. We just made our silver coin margarita. Just wanted to say, thanks for watching and subscribing to our YouTube channel. I do want to point out, check out our nice Vernon's merch. It's a beautiful sweater right here. You can come and get one of these in person. You can sign up for our cocktail classes. You can purchase one of our cocktail kits. And if you have any, drink that you'd like to see us make or learn how to make yourself, feel free to comment.